So STEM Corps is a place where kids can experience science firsthand, and they could actually say, this is what I love about science.
I think it's critical. So I have a STEM background. My background is in engineering and physics. And I would say that even if you don't do high-level concepts, and even if you don't do rote learning and memory with kids when they're really young, exposing them to STEM now plants seeds that they can hang higher concepts on later in life.
I love the teaching role. I love being able to give my knowledge to others. I love getting people excited about STEM. I love chemistry, I love science, I love engineering. It's an amazing organization with a bunch of great people doing a bunch of great things.
It started with engineering. They saw a need, they developed the program and started it. So we invest in the staff to continue growing it. We invest in the graduate students to oversee it.
One of the most integral aspects of IDE is our relationship with the community. What we are doing is preparing future Missourians for employment in the STEM-related fields.
Last year I did cloud formations where we built rockets out of Alka-Seltzer and water, and they got to put it in film canisters and it went off, and you could see so much excitement come from those kids, and I could not recommend it enough. They have all these opportunities to come together no matter the background and really love one another, love the projects that they're doing, love the experiences that they get to have. Can't ask for anything more.